Hey, so basically, uh, the way that I've done it is having a form, and inside that form, you're gonna have a custom field like what is the lead origin kind of a thing. So you create that form, and basically, I put the form in here. The only annoying part is would be like you're not gonna post the exact same link on your social media. So, for example, let's say if this is going to be on Facebook post, I'm gonna put it as this. So we got the link in here, and then I have a query that it says origin is going to be Facebook. I'm gonna hit enter. It's gonna bring that up. I'm just gonna put my name and just an email, and then I'm just gonna submit. And now if we go back and check that contact inside the GHL, so that's the first one. If I click on this, you'll see on the left hand side it says the lead origin is going to be Facebook. Now if you want to change that, you just need to paste that link and say this is the lead origin is going to be like Insta. And then same thing. I'm going to submit. And now if you're going to go back, and I'm going to check that new contact, and the lead origin is going to be Insta. So this is, I think, the quickest way that you can achieve this until they basically fix up this activity. And by the way, even if they fix it up, they need to give us access to be able to actually use this inside the like a contact field if you want to do some stuff on it. Otherwise, it's just going to be basically sitting in here. But that's the easiest way in stuff like having multiple forms and multiple landing pages for different sources to track. This is kind of like the quickest and fastest. The only thing is like the link that you put for your social medias are just going to be like different links. That's pretty much it. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.